Hi guys, today we're cooking pork bistek and here are the ingredients. So 2 onions sliced, then we also need garlic chopped, then next is calamansi juice, 10 pieces for this one, and of course we're going to use soy sauce, right? And later on we're also we're gonna put some water. For the soy sauce, it's 1 cup. Then salt and pepper. Alright, so for the salt and pepper, we're gonna use it para dun sa meat natin. What we need to do is to rub yung pepper and salt sa meat. Yung iba, what they prefer to do is to marinate yung pork chop, but me siguro mas gusto ko yung ganito lang. Right, just salt and pepper, a bit of lime on it. Yan, just want to make sure na mako-cover everything, okay? And syempre tansyahin din natin yung dami ng salt. The pepper is okay, but yung salt ayaw din natin siyang maging masyadong maalat. Alright, so once na-cover na natin everything, lalagyan ko din siya yung garlic ko, would be for this one. Alright, lalagay ko rin yung garlic dyan, tapos I'll just continue to rub and then pa-fry ko na siya. Alright, so until it's golden brown, and then tanggalin natin yung excess oil, balik natin yung fried pork chop dun sa pan. Then after nyan, lalagyan ko na siya ng water. Around 2 to 3 cups of water. And then lalagay ko na rin yung soy sauce. 1 cup soy sauce. Ayan. So hindi ko na measure, pero if you need the measurement, then 1 cup soy sauce, 3 cups water. Tansyado ko na kasi siya. So I'll just simmer it mga 10 to 15 minutes. After that, talagay ko na yung onions. Alright, then siguro mga 1 to 2 minutes once luto na yung onions, saka ko ilalagay yung calamansi juice. Tip lang guys, yung calamansi juice, wag nyo siyang ilagay habang kung nagsisimmer kasi nawawala yung lasa ng calamansi juice. Alright, and then, so tatakpan ko lang yan. There you go, kapag malambot na yung meat, it's good. Yan, lalagay ko na yung calamansi juice. You can also add sugar, depende na sa inyo. And there you go, our pork bistek. Very budget friendly, napakadaling lutuin. Alright, I hope you like it guys. Thank you.